Hi everyone! He is obsessed with tractors and our neighbor has one. Logan and Haley are eating strawberries. Yum yum. And I think that we are going for a walk now. Also with Connor, our baby. Haley found some flowers. We are back home now from our walk and I'll go ahead and start dinner. We're going to have a new noodle recipe. I haven't tried it before, so I'll let you know if it's good or not. And this is all we're going to need for today's dinner. Minced chicken, noodles, curry, some soy sauce, chili sauce, spring onions, garlic, bell pepper, I don't even know what these bean sprouts, and some brown sugar and 2 carrots. We are at the botanical garden and this is our first trip as a family of 7, and we found out or learned that we need to drive in 2 cars when we have the prom and stroller, so yeah.
It's your dream.
Er han vågen da?
Nej.
Jack?
Der kommer han.
Jack!
Jack, kom.
We are back home now, and Logan just took a nap, and Connor is napping now. And I'll go ahead and tackle this laundry. I have like 4 more piles this size. I haven't been on top of that, but at least it's clean. And then we're going to eat, and then we'll see what I'll get done after dinner. So I'm done folding this pile, and I'm going to match the socks after dinner. And yeah, then we're going to eat now. We're going to have chicken burgers and pulled pork burgers. And yeah, this is just a little amount of laundry. I'm doing 2 to 3 loads of laundry every day, so it's a lot.